Alright guys, well, last stand of the evening here. Sitting over a great big bean field with a great thick swamp bottom below us. I killed a double here in February under the moonlight. And I think I called it back in like March too. But I haven't been here since. It should hold a coyote or two. So, sun's setting. Set, can't even see it no more. Got Sophia with me. She was the film woman, but she gave up the rights. So, she's just spectating here, but we'll see what happens. Stick with me. Hopefully we can get a coyote called up. Stay still. Stay still. Stay still. I gotta get him. I need a range on him, Sophia. I don't know. I need my binoculars. What's that?
Can you stop traumatizing the mom, dear?
Me?
Yeah, she's so worried back there.
She was.
She's huffing and puffing back there.
I know she is.
I feel so bad.
Good eye. Well, we just smoked a coyote. We're at the 26-minute mark in the stand here. We had a doe come out on this side of the field, and I started playing around with the fawn distress, trying to get her to come charging the call. And I was paying no attention, and Sophia goes, "What's that?" And I looked, and she said, "It's a coyote, it's a coyote." And about 5 minutes before that, I told her if she spots a coyote before me, I'll pay her $10. So I guess I owed her $10. Gonna give it another minute here, see if we can get another one, but we'll see.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that is a very tiny one.
What's that?
Very tiny one.
There,
Female.
is that?
I think.
Check it out. You tell me what it is. Open its legs. It is a female, yeah.
I could see it.
Yeah.
I don't want to touch it.
It's
Okay.
alright.
Ew. The fact that this was just alive is disgusting.
Yeah.
It's very tiny though.
We were wrong. We thought it was a male, didn't we? Let's see. It's a wet female too. She's This girl had some pups, it looks like, at one point. It looks like she still might be. No, she ain't really nursing anymore. It don't look like she's pretty dry, but she definitely had pups.
Oh, she bit the grass.
Right.
Oh, she has a leaf in her
She's
mouth.
pretty long.
Yeah, but kind of
Check
shiny.
her teeth out. Just a young coyote, couple years old probably. Put the absolute hammer down on her right there. Just a touch high, but absolutely smoked her. She didn't flinch. That's pretty cool stuff, wasn't it?
Yeah, looks kind of like a fox from the front.
It does, because it's got red on it.
It's red.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool looking dog. Don't know if you guys can see here, but
Yeah.
so yeah. Now we just got to get Sophia comfortable in the with the gun and the tripod and get her shooting some of these coyotes. That's what I want. That's what I want. If she can stick with it. She seems to go a little bit and then she gets out of it a little bit and don't want to go. But you had fun tonight?
Yeah.
You did?
Uh-huh.
All right. You're not lying to me, are you?
I'm not.
All right.
It was fun with the deer.
It was fun with the deer. Yeah, that deer, they get pretty fired up there thinking they got a fawn in distress. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. We're going to get this sucker out of here. It's getting dark, and hopefully we get back out again maybe tomorrow evening and put another one down. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.